Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically cover your face using an emoji sticker on TikTok. So we are just going to select this video, and I'm going to just go to stickers, and I'm going to select a sticker that I want to use to, like, I guess cover the face. Just going to use this one, and then I'm just trying to like place it on her face here. And I'm just going to tap it for a bit, if I can just do that. And then I'm just going to like tap it like that. Go to pin, and you're going to place where you want to pin it. Just like size it as well. And then you're going to select pin. If you want to like go back, just go back here to the first frame, and then pin it like that, and just select pin. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!